random cat.
That was outside my front door. And since my dad doesn't want to get in, I'm going to have to go around the back to get it on camera. I wonder if it's still up there. Oh, it is. Wait, Kitty, wait. Wait, it's okay. Kitty, wait. Kitty? Oh, there's another one. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave. Yeah, heck no. There are kittens, I swear. So that's a wife and that's a husband. That was a wife and that was a husband. Frick nah. What the heck? That was a male. This window. Okay, what were they doing there?